will not be Igbo, will not be Ka. We are Igbanke. I will speak Bini and Igbanke.
Okay.
That is our major language in Igbanke. Bini and Igbanke language. Yes. My name is Elder Robert Chukwuemeke of Igbanke.
The Igbanke people, as you said, are they Benin or they are Igbo?
We are from beginning and in total, Benin people.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what Elder Chukwuemeke said, and of course, we all know that he's lying. All he said there are all lies, and you must know that the person interviewing him is a Benin expansionist. We all know that person on social media who goes about falsifying history, trying to grab other people's land with false Benin history. Now, let's listen to our brother from Igbanke in person of Apostle Azuka as he debunked the lies of Elder Robert Chukwuemeke.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to debunk the fake information our brother give to us. We, the indigenous people, the ancient people of Igbanke, we are not Benin. We are Ika, Igbo, Igbanke. We don't speak. We don't even hear Benin. We don't even speak Benin. Not that we find ourselves in Orium local government mean that we are Benin. Igbanke is not Benin. We don't speak Benin. No quarter in Igbanke speak Benin. We trace our history back to Idueri, in Aguneri, in Anambra. That is where we trace our history back to. Then what I'm trying to say is that we are not Benin. Even Oba himself, copy this video to Oba. Oba himself know that Igbanke are not Benin. There is no time Igbanke is Benin. Because if you go to Igbanke now, we have Isa community, we have Ngudi community, we have Omigwe, we have Idumohe, we have Idumigwe, we have Idumomwewo, we have Idumishofo, we have all quarters of Igbanke when we don't even ally with Benin. There is nothing ally with Igbanke and Benin. Nothing. But we find ourselves in Orion local government area of Edo State. Does not matter that Igbanke is a Benin. Ndị Igbanke LND do. As we do, we do. We are not animal of Benin because the animal of Benin are those Benin people call Owehon. They are slave. Igbanke people are not Owehon. We are not slave. We are the indigenous people of Igbanke. My name is Apostle Azuka Oka Etumodon. Only Igbanke can hold. Ciao.
Okay, my people, we all have heard what our brother from Igbanke, Azuka, said. Azuka is right, because we all know that Igbanke people don't speak Benin language. Igbanke people are not Benin people. We all know what Igbanke people are passing through in that Edo State. Igbanke people are Ika people. That elder said that Igbanke people are not Ika people. Is to tell you that he is a big liar. How can you say Igbanke people are not Ika people? What is the dialect of Igbanke people? Is it not Ika? So how can you say Igbanke are not Ika people, are not Igbo people, and you claim that Igbanke people are Benin people? That is misinformation. So every other Igbanke people out there, you must disregard what Elder Chukwuemeke said. He is lying, and he is being paid to say what he said. Thank you, my people. Ishiagwale.